Welcome back to CAD with Mr. Hugh. In today's video, we'll be drawing the 3D view of the block. All right, so the first thing we're going to do, we're going to set up our page. All right, so to set up the page, the first thing we're going to type is UN, which is a shortcut for units. All right, so we have our units. We're going to type in units. For the shortcut for units is UN. All right, we're going to make sure that it's on decimal. The precision, we're going to change it to 2 decimal places. For the decimal degrees, we're gonna let it stay at 0. We're gonna press OK. Or the next thing we wanna check is our grid. We know it's 10, but we're gonna check. Or it's 10. Or we're gonna check our snap. It's 10, so that is OK. All right, the next thing we're gonna do is set up our layers. So we're gonna go up to our layer properties manager. I'm gonna go to new construction. Then we're gonna make another layer called text. Then we're going to make another layer called outline. And the line weight for the outline, we're going to make it 0.3. Okay. Or the next thing we're going to make is a hidden detail line. So we're going to call it hidden. And the line type would be hidden. So we have to go and load the line type that we want. So we're going to go and look for hidden. We're going to load this one. And after we load it, we have to select it and press OK. All right, so we have our construction, we have our text or our outline. Okay, so we're gonna close this layer properties manager dialog box. We're gonna go to construction. All right, so the first thing we're gonna start with is our baseline. So we're gonna go to line, and we're gonna draw a line from here to there. Enter. All right. Now we want a line going at 30 degrees this side. So we're gonna turn on isoplane right. If you're on a T-square, it's fine. So we're gonna go line here, and the length of the line, we're gonna make it 60 millimeters. We're gonna zoom up so we can see it a little bit better. All right, this is our 60. All right, that's our 60. Then we're gonna go up 10 millimeters. Then we're gonna come back down 60. And then we're gonna come back down 10. 10. Enter. So there we have the front. All right. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna press enter. We're gonna draw the other side going up now. So we're gonna turn on the isoplane left by clicking this icon here. And we're gonna go left. All right, good. So we're gonna draw a line 20 millimeters this way. So we're gonna go line here. And we're gonna go 20 millimeters that way. Enter. All right. Then we're gonna go up 20 millimeters. Enter. We're gonna go across 30 millimeters. Enter. We're gonna come back down 20 millimeters. Then we're gonna go across 20 millimeters. Then we're gonna go up. We're gonna go up. So we need to turn on ortho. Right, we're gonna go up 50 millimeters. Then we're gonna come across. Need to turn off ortho because they're coming down on a 30-degree line. we're going to come down 40 millimeters. Then we're going to come down on a turn, or we're going to come down 20 millimeters. Then we're going to come across 30 millimeters. Then we're going to come down 10. We're going to go back 10. We're going to turn on ortho. We're going to come down 10 and then come across 10. Enter. All right? So that is our side. We're gonna draw this side now. So we're gonna turn on ortho right. And we're gonna complete this side here. So we're gonna go line from this point. We're gonna come across 60 millimeters. We're gonna go up 10 millimeters. We're gonna come back 60 millimeters and press enter. All right. Now we wanna close this cutout here. So we're gonna go line again. I'm gonna click here and we're gonna go. We need to turn on isoplane left. I'm gonna come this way. I'm gonna click there. Press enter. From this corner, I'm gonna draw a line up. Right. So I'm gonna go back to isoplane right. I'm gonna go line from here. I'm gonna go across. It's gonna coincide here. Press enter. All right. So that's the cutout. We also need a line under here. All right. So we're gonna go line here, going up to there. Enter. Are you seeing the three-dimensional effect? All right. So we're gonna go across here and go across there. So we're gonna go line from here and we're gonna go 60 millimeters across. So we type 60, enter. Then we're gonna come, we need to turn on isoplane left. I'm gonna come across there, enter. All right. Okay. Now we're gonna go up. So we're gonna go line. We need to turn on isoplane right. All right, so we're gonna go up 40. We're gonna come across. We're gonna go down. We're gonna come across 20. Then we're gonna go up 10. We're gonna come back here. I'm gonna finish it there. Press enter. All right, are you seeing the figure? All right. Now we need to draw this line coming across. All right, so we're gonna go line here. We're gonna come across 20. Then we're gonna come across. We need isoplane left. So we're gonna come down here 40 millimeters. All right, press enter. All right, we're gonna complete this top section. All right. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna shift the drawing down a little bit right there. Good. All right, so that we can complete the top. All right, right there. Okay, right there. Good. All right, we're gonna turn on isoplane left to go in the other direction. All right, we have the left already. So we're gonna draw this line, and then from here, we're gonna go 40 millimeters to the left. Then we're gonna come down 30 millimeters, enter. Then we're gonna come back 40 millimeters this side. All right, 40. All right, so that is it. Press enter. All right. So we're gonna complete the top section. So we're gonna go line. From here, we're going to go 40 millimeters. Then we're going to come across. We need to turn on isoplane left. I mean right, sorry. And this measurement will be 20. All right, enter. To complete it, we need to draw this line to represent the edge there. All right, so we're going to go line from here. And the length there would be 10 millimeters. Enter. All right, so this is our finished product. Enter. All right, so this is the isometric drawing of the block that is given. I've come to the end of part 1 of 2 videos covering the topic how to draw a 3D view of an object. We thank you for joining us and we look forward to seeing you in the next video where we will add the dimensions to the 3D drawing. There's a special way to align the dimensions and I encourage you to visit the next video, which is part 2. So take care until we meet again. Thanks for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment and share.